Hey y'all, Roxelle Richards here, and just stopping in to be able to share a little bit more about this course, DIY Digital Success. Now, as you guys may know, I'm not only a business mentor, but I'm an attorney. And if you're an established or new or even an aspiring business owner or even working for an employer who could use some training to understand some of the secrets of our web industry and our digital industry, then this course is for you. It's comprised over 19 video trainings teaching you how to create a website, the creation of a funnel, what to include on your website, and SEO basics that you should know, and actually some digital tools you can use and then some. Now for me, my business didn't really take off until I understood some of these lessons. And I'm still doing that till this very day. But I want the same for you. It cost me 17 years of heartache and lessons and trials and errors and all of that. But you don't have to. We also provide 24-hour access to me, which means that if you've got questions, I'm there to be able to answer your questions. And not only that, you're invited to be around other like-minded people who are all in different stages of their not only business growth, their career growth. So I'll see you inside.